I threw keys for these handcuffs somewhere. I don't know where it is. So first I'm going looking under the bed. It's a challenge. The cops told me, arrested me, and they threw it somewhere, and I don't know where it is. So yeah. First, let's go under the bed. We only have 5 minutes, by the way. Okay. I'm looking for it. Yeah, it's for sure not under there. Why would they hide it somewhere like that? I mean, it'll be impossible. Look at my hands. It hurts. I can't even touch my hands. Okay, I can. For sure. But I can't even touch my head. Okay, I can't touch my toes. And I'm serious. Okay. I can't touch my elbow. I touch my own elbow. I can't touch my shoulder. I don't think anyone can. Okay, I'm wasting time. I gotta go find these keys. Oh. Okay. I think they're somewhere right here. Not under the bed. For sure not under the bed. For sure. Okay, this is scary. I have no way to find anything. Only 4 more minutes left. I mean, think about that. There's barely any. It's scary. So I'm trying to find my keys. I'm in a trailer. There's a lot of junk. It's like, oh no. But it'll be 3 more minutes left. I gotta go find this thing. Nope, nothing. Okay. This is scary. I might just have to stay like this for 24 hours if I can't find the keys. I just can't find the keys. No, what to do. Well, at least I got toys to live with. Am I right, guys? At least I got toys. Wait a second. I'm wasting my time doing this, even though I could be like having fun, trying to find the keys. I'm just wasting my time. I mean, I only have 5 minutes, but I don't care. I'd rather live with these handcuffs. I don't know why. I like being in a life sentence, but 24 hours. Life sentence for 24 hours. Yeah. Okay, what am I doing? 2 minutes left. And I've already only had, Guys, can I grab this? Come on with me. Okay. I can't see under there. I want y'all to comment, do you see the keys? Yeah, y'all can't even see under there. I think I see the keys. I think I see the keys. 1 minute left. Come on, come on. Okay. Am I doing it right? him! I found him! And I got it right in time. Wait, my mom said it doesn't count? My mom literally just said it doesn't count. Wait, I only have a minute to handcuff myself and get under here? Get from under here? Okay. Got one. Okay. Almost done. Come on, come on. I got it. I got it, guys. So see you guys later. Bye.